Hello guys, I've made this short video tutorial even in English to help you to set up in the correct way, in the best way possible, your Fxwinner Ea in your MP4 platform. So first thing, I suggest you to use a VPS Windows Server 2012, and you will be I suggest you to paste the folder with all the expert advice or the indicator, and everything will be sent to you by the sender, so that you will easily copy and paste. Okay, let's go and start with number one, which is the EA copy. Let's go to the platform, and this is a little bit boring. Okay, let's go on File, open data folder, MQL4, expert paste. Okay, of course we already have installed on this platform, and I will replace, but you won't need to do this. Okay, now to be more comfortable, we can minimize the MP4 and maintain the two folders open so that you can more easily copy and paste everything you need. Okay, so we already paste the expert advisor. Now let's go with the template. Copy. No, we let him for left because I will show you why. Okay, now this is the set file, the best configuration. Copy, and in the presets folder paste. Okay, replace, but you won't need to do this. The indicator, copy and paste. Another indicator, copy and paste. Okay, yes, we know. Now we left the template for left, copy. Let's go one step and go in templates folder, paste. Okay, you're right. Let's close everything and let's restart the platform, the MP4 platform, so that, okay, yeah, close and start it once again. Okay, here we are in the new chart. I will drag the template on the chart Fxwinner. Okay, what it remains, this is GBP USD. Let me see. Okay, 5 minutes time frame. What time it was? It is very important. We suggest you to use this expert advisor from 8 in the morning to 5 p.m. Italian time, Rome time. So it's the best trades are in the European session. Here you can load your set file, so it will be really easy to set up. You will be able to change a few parameters here. For example, lot size. This is a good lot size for $200,000 account, $200 account, which is a tiny account. We trade one lot with 1,000 account. Okay, the tick profit is this is a scalper, so it is very near. There is also a spread filter, as I told you before. Here we have a time filter that you can turn on or off. You can use it also in case of news time, and you can change the time. For example, during no farm payrolls or during Friday, if you want to take it off, you can set here the time when you want to take it off and simply manage it from here to the time filter on true or on false. Of course, let's go here. Okay, here we are, and this is done. Guys, it is very simple. So what we suggest you to do is to use it during this training time, because the signals are really accurate during that time, and also to maintain also the lot size very small. Okay, we are implementing also the training stop, which is not in the first version, but hopefully tomorrow it will be ready with the training stop feature. And don't worry, if you already purchased the version, of course you will have the update with the training um, for free. Okay, if you have any questions, please refer to the sellers. If I am I am just explaining you how to set it up, and hopefully this video was useful for you. I thank you for your time and see you in my next video. Bye for now.